What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Have you planned for 2025? What's your money plan, your financial goals? If you're ready to get those started, I have the program just for you, digital marketing. If you all want to learn more about digital marketing, I'm the person you need to call. My link will be in the description. For a limited time offer, we're offering a discount price. Check the description also for the link to get started. We have all the necessary tools you need. All you need is your phone, your computer, tablet, whatever device you use for social media. All you have to do is copy and paste everything that's given to you, paste, share the products, the digital marketing products, and you get paid commission through an affiliate link. Get started today on your money journey, financial success. We're leveling up for 2025. No better time to get started than today. No better time to help your family get started on their correcting their credit, correcting their W-4, fixing whatever you need to get started for 2025 so you can have a clean slate and get started correctly. Now is the time to get started. Now is the time. What are you waiting for? Get started now. Today for a limited time offer special price, which will be linked in the description. If you're ready to get started, click that link. Need more information? My link will also be in the description in the comments down below. Please don't hesitate, comment, say you're ready to get started, and I will send you necessary tools and information you need. My email, everything will be in the link also. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. 2025 is on the way. We're going to be getting in our bags, getting everything we need. We're going to lack nothing. Get started today. What are you waiting for? Time waits for no one. Time of the essence. We have no time to waste. I'm here to help you, coach you, guide you, lead you through the process. It's not hard at all. All you're doing is posting the information, the digital products that's given to you, link that they give you, post your affiliate links, people click on them, they sign up, you get paid commission through the affiliate links. What better time than now to get started? What are you waiting for? Anybody can do this. Single moms, teenagers, you have to be 18 and above. USA, you have to, be ready. Be ready and determined to get started. All you need is effort. That's all you need is effort. If you're willing to put in the effort, we can give you what you need to get started. It's a turnkey business. What are you waiting for? It's time to get started. Let's get started today. Anybody can do this. We also have the business option where you can include the Defender Plus security surveillance for your devices to protect you against hackers and all of that. We also have a discount travel club with wholesale prices. You can save on your travel for you and your family. We know the holidays are around the corner, as fastly approaching is here. We have the new year 2025. We want to be on the cruise ships. We want to be at the resorts. We want to be in that first class on that plane. You want that? Then this is the opportunity for you. If you have an hour or 2 hours a day or a few hours throughout the week to post and share your affiliate links with the digital marketing products, then good. That's all you need. That's all you need. All you need is your device, your phone. We have social media information for you that you can post where you don't even have to speak. You could just post them, create your own, customize it, whatever you want, and post it. Share it. That's all you have to do. Not hard. That's all you have to do. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm here today to encourage you. If you need help, you're looking for that opportunity to get started. Single moms, single dads, grandmothers. Let me tell you a secret. We have people in this business 70, 80, 50 years old, learning for the first time how to use devices like computers and phones, and they're doing it. They're learning. They're coming to the trainings every week. They're doing it. And you can too. Don't tell me an 80-year-old, 70-year-old, they're out there doing it. They're out here sharing the business. They're out here using digital marketing products to get paid. That's what they're doing. And you can do it too. All you're doing is sharing the link, your affiliate link. People click on the link, you get commission when they sign up. You get paid weekly every Friday. And also, not only that, getting directly paid every Friday, every week, we also get residual income. So that's that constant pay, constant pay. Keep coming, they gonna keep paying you. Who don't want that? Who don't want that? We can't rely on 9 to 5 jobs anymore. We see people getting laid off. We seeing people, losing their jobs right before the holidays. What are we going to do if your boss come to you next week and say, hey, we got to lay off, we cutting back in the company? What are you going to do? What's your plan B? What's your plan C? What are you going to do? I tell you what you're going to do. You're going to click on that link in my description. You're going to contact me, VeeSuccessful, and you're going to sign up for this opportunity. Right now, less than $10, you can get started today. 30 days, you could try it out. You don't like it, get your money back, guarantee. Get your money back. But once you get inside and you see what's all the offer, you ain't gonna want to turn back. You're not gonna want to do it. So you're gonna want to stay. Right now, you want to get in at this price because, baby, it's sooner or later it's gonna go up. So you want to stay in. You want to get in when you can. And now is the time to get in. Don't wait till the price go up. And don't say I ain't told you so. Okay? Get in now. Get in now while it's $10, less than $10. Get in. Get in now. Okay? I'm telling you now, this is the opportunity. You don't want to leave. Don't be left behind in 2025. Don't get left behind in 2025. You don't want it to happen. Let's get on this train, the money train. Let's get this bag. Let's get this money. We can all do this. If you have a device, you can post, you can share. You online anyway, so why not get paid doing it? Why not? Anybody that you know that's 18 and up, they can sign up for this opportunity and start making money also. It don't matter. If they're 18, your kids in high school looking for a little income, because guess what? They on the social medias anyway, posting, sharing videos. Why not include the information that they're doing? Share the information, the digital products with their affiliate link, and they can get paid commission. Not only that, it's teaching them business skills. We have classes and trainings that will teach you business skills. And with the business skills, you can, we also have investment education. Investment education, teach you how to invest like the pros. You want to get in on this information, it's for you. Everything you need financially is here for you. We're going to help you get on track. We're going to help you fix your credit through our DIY credit program. With that, we have letters that you send to your creditors. We have everything at your fingertips. We have videos to show you, demonstrations. We have everything you need. This is a turnkey business. Turnkey. And not only that, when tax time comes, guess what? Because you have a business, you write off all your deductions. You get to write off deductions. That's right. You have a business. So the fees that you paying anyway, you get to write them off. Your travel fees, you get to write them off. Who don't want that? Who don't? Come on, get on the right side. Get the business. This is the business model you want to be in. The best model I know you want to get in on right now. Not only we elevating our bank accounts in 2025, we elevating financially. We becoming successful financially and all around. Because when we financially successful, we successful all around throughout our life. So get on board. Today is the day. Today is the day. Get in now. I'm trying to tell you, because the price is going to go up. It's going to double, triple. It's going back up. So right now, get in at the price. And even then, it's still not that much. Okay. Even when the price go up, it's going to be less than $50. But right now, you need to get in while it's less than $10. You need to get in, try it out for 30 days. If you don't like it, get your money back. But I promise you, you're going to stay. You're going to stay. Because why? Because once you get paid, that's it. You're going to stay. So if you know anyone looking for a program or opportunity that can help them get money, your kids, your family, anybody who's willing to get online, get on social media, get their phones, devices, and share videos, share the information. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of that, they can share the information. 2025, we don't know what's going to happen. We really, really don't. But you can have your plan in place, your plan B in place, because when January 1 come, you don't know what your boss is going to do. They might hand you that pink slip. They might hand you something and say, hey, we're reducing hours. No more overtime. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Like I say, click that link in the description. Connect with me. My name is V. VeeSuccessful is the channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. You ready to get started? Comment access, and I got you. Thank you. Have a successful day.